How to make another YouTube channel with same email. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube. Simply log into your account. Then you'll find your profile on top right corner of your screen. Click on your profile on top right and then scroll down. Click on settings. In here, scroll down on settings and you will find add or manage your channels option. Click on add or manage your channels. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on create a channel. And then from here you can add name, handle, and then you can also select profile picture. After you've done, click on create channel. And you're good to go. As you can see, you have created another YouTube channel with same email. This is how to make YouTube channel with same email. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.